Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install your language or language pack in Windows 10. So go to your setting. In setting, click on this time and language. From time and language, go to language. And here you can see preferred language. It's default selected my English. From here you can add another language. So simply click on this, add a language. Now you can search your language or you can scroll down like this. There are many languages available. You can see in here. So I'm going to install this one to show you example. Now click on next. If you want to set as my Windows display language, if you select this will be your display language. But I'm happy with English. Now click on install. Now it's install my language. Like you can see, it's downloading my language pack. It may take some time to download and install my language pack. In regional format, you can setting this like this. Which one you want, English or Bangla? We can easily change this. So guys, you can see our language pack is installed. So in this way you can install your language pack. And if you have to change your PC language, then you can change this from regional setting from here, option in setting, and you can change your language in your PC language. So I am happy with my default one. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.